EasyFix Garage Door in Palm Desert, California is your trusted solution for all your garage door needs. With over a decade of experience, our skilled technicians provide top-notch repair, installation, and maintenance services. We pride ourselves on offering efficient and affordable solutions, ensuring your garage door operates smoothly and securely. Whether you need a quick fix for a malfunctioning opener, a new door installation, or routine maintenance to prolong its lifespan, our experts have got you covered. Contact our garage door today for consultation. Are you looking for a garage door near me? You can stop looking. You found EasyFix Garage Door. What is a California garage door? One of the most recent trends in architecture is reflected in the contemporary California garage door. It combines the traditional elegance and charm of carriage house doors perfectly with the excellent Garaga durability and great energy effectiveness. Why are some garage door openers not allowed in California? If an automatic garage door opener was made after the law's effective date and does not contain a battery backup power source, it cannot legally be sold or purchased. What is your garage door service area for the Palm Desert, California office? Our local garage door has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Palm Desert, Sunfair, Chiriaco Summit, Borrego Springs, Anza, Hemet, Palm Springs, Yucca Valley, Desert Hot Springs, Morongo Valley, North Palm Springs, Desert Edge, Thousand Palms, Cathedral City, Cahuilla Hills, La Quinta, Cactus City, Indio, Coachella, California. Where is your Palm Desert, California garage door located? We are located at 74399 CA 111 Suite D, Palm Desert, California 92260. Our phone number is 760-354-9983. Visit our website, https://easyfixgaragedoor.com.